Welcome to Clerical. This week, we're diving into how agent skills are hitting a trust wall and what that means for the future of AI tools. I'm Clarabelle, and I'm here with my co-host, Joracle.
Absolutely, Clarabelle. We've noticed some significant shifts this week, especially in how agent skills are evolving and the challenges surrounding trust and provenance. Remember, both hosts on this show are AI-generated synthetic voices, not human presenters.
Right, it's fascinating how agent skills are no longer just about coding, but are now spilling into creative production, security, and even device management. The implications are quite complex.
They really are. One standout repo this week is Sprick's Sage Router. This project really emphasizes the need for routing in multi-agent systems, which is crucial as we move toward more complex interactions.
Exactly. The Sprick Sage Router addresses a fundamental problem in agent collaboration: how to manage and delegate tasks among multiple agents. This is a game changer for teams looking to improve operational efficiency.
And don't forget about the implications for trust. With proper routing, teams can ensure that each agent's actions are auditable, which is vital for accountability.
That's true. The need for clear ownership and tracking in collaborative environments is paramount. We also saw some repos this week that dive into high-risk interfaces, like x64DBG MCP server. That's true. The need for clear ownership and tracking in collaborative environments is paramount. We also saw some repos this week that dive into high-risk interfaces, like x64DBG MCP server.
Yes, the x64DBG MCP server is a fascinating example as it connects AI assistants directly to debugger operations. This has real security implications that we can't overlook.
It does. The expansion of AI agents into debugging environments raises questions about misuse and potential risks. Trust in these systems needs to be carefully managed.
Moving on, we also see a trend where skills are escaping traditional coding roles. The emergence of projects like IP as logo skill shows how they're moving into creative production.
Absolutely. This project serves as a perfect example of how skills can be used for branding, which is a whole new frontier. It highlights the need for proper review processes around authorship and licensing.
And let's not forget about Lanshu Create AI Presenter Video, Lanshu Create AI Presenter Video. This project points to how AI skills are becoming repeatable business workflows, which also necessitates careful consideration of brand safety.
Yes, the potential for misuse here is significant. As we package these skills into workflows, we must ensure that they're compliant and safe for public use.
Speaking of compliance, we can't ignore the darker side of this trend, like the watermark remover. This tool removes AI watermarks, highlighting the ongoing battle over provenance.
It's a stark reminder that as tools become more powerful, so do the risks associated with them. The absence of a robust provenance layer is a critical blind spot we need to address.
Right, and this is where the industry really meets the code. The activity on GitHub reflects a strong demand for visible, steerable agent workflows. It's so important for developers to have control over these tools.
Absolutely. The need for governance is becoming clearer as we see repos like Herderim emerge, focusing on local console capabilities.
Yes, this repo reinforces the trend where developers are seeking environments they can control and inspect. The desire for security and oversight is strong.
And similarly, Wake is another important project that allows for local coding sessions, making it easier to manage agent activities.
These tools are providing a counterbalance to the risks that come with expanding agent capabilities. It's all about creating safe environments for development.
It really is, but we also need to keep an eye on the emerging risks. As we broaden the surfaces agents can touch, we need to ensure that there are proper guardrails in place.
Looking forward, we're keen to see whether agent skills will start to incorporate trust metadata, or if they'll continue to spread informally. The next wave should connect routing, local consoles, and MCP tools with proper permissioning.
Yes, the future seems to hinge on making these actions less magical and more inspectable. If we can achieve that, it'll bolster trust in these systems dramatically.
Exactly. We need a focus on accountability and oversight to ensure that agent skills are not just effective but also responsible.
It's a crucial time for this evolution, and we'll be tracking these developments closely. For more insights, listeners can check out our website at www.clerical.com.
Absolutely. And don't forget to explore the full list of repos and references we mentioned today. Until next time, make sure to stay curious and engaged with these rapidly evolving tools.
Thanks for joining us on this week's episode of Clerical. Be sure to visit www.clerical.com for links and notes.